Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to hide an app. Here you can see WhatsApp. I am going to hide this WhatsApp. Method 1. Tap and hold anywhere on the home screen. Go to settings. Tap on the settings. Tap on hide apps on home screen. Tap here. Here you can see list of installed apps. From this list let me select WhatsApp. Select. Now we can see WhatsApp under hidden apps list. Tap on done. Okay, then close this. See, now WhatsApp is not visible here in the home screen. So this way we can hide WhatsApp. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Tap on home screen. Tap on hide apps on home screen. So we get the same page. See, here you can see I have already selected WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp is a hidden app. So if you want to unhide or if you want to open this WhatsApp, you can just remove this WhatsApp from this hidden apps list. Just tap here and remove. Then tap on done. Then let me go to home screen. See, now WhatsApp is visible. So let me hide Facebook app. Again go to hide apps on home screen. Then from this list let me select Facebook. See, now we can see Facebook here in this hidden apps list. Tap on done. See, now Facebook is not visible. So if you want to open Facebook, we have two options. We can search and open, or we can go to hide apps on home screen. Just remove Facebook from this list, then save. Tap on done. Let me close this. See, now Facebook app is visible. So these are the two methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.